guys, and we are back after about a 5-week break. So sorry for missed us, but we are back due to large requests of another video. And today we have another weekly interviewer, and today we have. So you need do silly face. Hi. Today, what would you like the interview to be about? What do you really like? What interests you? Doing silly face. Boxing. Okay. How many times a week do you box, Lara? 6, 7 times a week. Well, I'll tell you what, that is whopping good. Are you got any fights? Okay, guys. All our friends are going to go support Gara at his next fight.
Where is it?
Oh, Portugal. Oh! Out of Winstanley, because we're going to Portugal. Just meet us there. Okay, what day? That would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so when is it in Portugal? Like 20th March?
You better not just recording me going fast.
Have you got any in England?
Oh, really? You just recorded me going over.
Okay, when it does have one in England, the whole group's going to go and split. Because guess what?
Better not have got my face.
Yeah, and she's a boxer too, so maybe they could be boxer friends. I'll send a request that you want to send to her.
It follows on Instagram.
Yeah, right. See, they're already best to see this boxing connection.
Wrap it up.
We wish Gara the best of luck.
Gara, do silly face. End it with silly face. End it with silly face. No, silly face is this.